What HVAC repairs require specialized replacement parts? Repairs involving refrigerant systems, control boards, variable speed motors, ignition parts, heat exchangers, proprietary sensors, and matched components for newer high-efficiency equipment often require specialized replacement parts. An air conditioner or heat pump may need a specific compressor, expansion valve, refrigerant, or inverter component that must match the equipment model. Furnaces can require an exact ignition control, flame sensor, gas valve, heat exchanger, or blower motor designed for that unit. Modern systems also use communicating thermostats and circuit boards that share digital information, so a similar-looking replacement may not work. Variable speed motors often need programmed settings, not just a simple electrical connection. A heat exchanger is especially important because it keeps combustion gases away from the indoor air, and only an approved part should be used. Some older systems use refrigerants that are no longer commonly sold, so the repair may involve an approved alternative or a larger system change. To identify the correct part, write down the manufacturer, model number, serial number, and existing part number before calling a contractor. A useful detail many homeowners miss is that the serial number can reveal the equipment's age, while the model number helps identify its exact design and compatible parts. One common mistake is ordering a part based only on its appearance, so always verify the complete model number and electrical ratings. Another mistake is assuming a universal control board or motor will work, because many require factory programming or a matching communication system. Have a qualified technician confirm compatibility. People also sometimes keep using a system with a cracked heat exchanger, burning smell, repeated breaker trips, or refrigerant leaks, but those signs can create safety risks, so turn the system off and request professional testing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.